George. Well, siguro yung iba sa inyo kilala na to. Say hi to Unang Hirit. Say hi, Unang Hirit. Say hi. Magda-dance daw si George for Unang Hirit.
Sa unang hirit, unang-una ka. Sa unang hirit, nauuna ka.
Welcome to my standby area. This is one of the rooms here in Hacienda Isabela. Actually, ang ganda ng place na to. Well, I just stay here pag walang ginagawa. Most of the time, I'm sleeping or playing with, well, my computer or this makulat here. Ito yung makeup ko, so dito na rin ako nagre-retouch. Since we're far, ang shooting namin nasa Tagaytay, malayo sa Kabihasnan. Dami kaming chichurya. At kung anik-anik pa, lahat ng mga sapatos, bags, damit, nandito na, kasama na lahat. Hindi dito, nandun. Para lang kasi nga 1 week kami mag-stay dito. So, until Saturday we'll be here. Kasi meron pa kaming tutorial. So, yun. Marami pa kayong dapat abangan, mga kapuso, dito lang sa set ng Till I Met You, yung aming comeback team up ni Robin Padilla dito lang sa Unang Hirit.
The story of Till I Met You is really meant for Robin and Regine. Ako parang ang feeling ko, wala akong ibang maisip na pwedeng ilagay dun sa character ni Gabriel at saka sa character ni Luisa. It's talagang just perfect for them. Wala akong background kung paano i-treat ang isang Robin Padilla sa set. But surprisingly, he's very down to earth. Madali naman siyang pakisamahan, mababaw ang kaligayahan. Yun. She's the most down-to-earth person also I've met. She's very funny. First time you talk to her, parang ang tagal niyo nang magkakilala. Pag nag-action na si Direk Mark, boom! There's magic already. Yung pareho silang, you talk about love, there's love. You see love, you feel love. They're both, I don't know if they're good actors, pero naramdaman talaga namin. May magic lang talaga. Grabe yung chemistry ng dalawa.
This is my first time to work with Robin Padilla. With Regine kasi we had Forever in My Heart eh. So it's nice to have a reunion with her. First time with Robin and I was really kind of scared in the sense that baka hindi kami magtugma ng gusto or ng vision sa movie. But amazingly, we hit it off right away. At yung story in itself is very reminiscent of stories done in the 70s during the golden age of Philippine cinema na talagang storya yung bida-bida. What makes this film exciting is that, again, ginastosan ng GMA. It may be a love story, pero multidimensional siya. Nakakatawa siya.
Ang role ko rito ay si Senyor Manuel. Siyang kasintahan ni Regine. Malapit na silang ikasal. I've worked with Robin in a lot of films before. Well, he's very professional. Talagang mahal niya ang trabaho niya. Wala siyang binibigay na sakit ng ulo sa director o sa mga kasamahan niya. Well, si Regine, it's the first time I've worked with her. Well, she's a very professional actress. Nice to work with.
The story here is, parang I'm supposed to marry Don Manuel, who owns this huge hacienda. Pero may isang tao na nagduda sa akin, which is the character of Robin. From the very beginning, medyo parang diskumpiyado na siya sa character ni Luisa, which is my character. He loves the old man very much kasi parang parang inampo na siya ni Don Miguel. Hindi sila talaga magkaano-ano pero napamahal na siya dun sa matanda and he was treated like his own son. Hanggang sa iimbestiga niya sa akin, he ended up falling in love with me and vice versa. The first movie was under Viva Films, Kailangan Ko Ikaw. Parang Notting Hill yan eh. I was a superstar, parang ganyan. And he was just an ordinary person, a gentleman niya. He's very maasikaso. Yung kung kailangan mo ng tubig, dapat hindi ka kukuha ng tubig, he'll get it for you. Yung bababa ka ng hagdanan, he'll offer his hand. Yung mga ganun type ba. And very gentleman, very gentleman. And very professional also. At ayaw niya na nauuna yung lady niya sa set. Ayaw niya yun. Parang he'll get upset with himself. The challenging part of doing this movie is probably working with Mr. Eddie Garcia, because this is the first time I'm going to work with him. And he's such a great actor, not to mention director. Tapos, mentor siya ng lahat ng tao. So, medyo actually nakaka-intimidate siya, but he's very, very nice. Nakakatuwa siya. Madami siyang kwento. Wala kasi kami talagang aminan about how we feel, about each other. Wala naman talaga kaming sabihan eh. Pero, you feel the sexual tension somehow. And it makes you kilig, which I think Direct Mark wants naman eh. Mga kaunang hirit, thank you very, very much sa pagsubaybay niyo sa akin, sa amin dito sa aming shooting ng Till I Met You. Sana po, supportahan niyo ang movie nito pag nag-showing na kami sa October. And thank you for being with us. Sa unang hirit, unang-una ka. Sa unang hirit, unang-una ka. Ayan. Enjoy!